Hey guys, this is how to use Gmail filters as a beginner. So guys, I'm going to show you a very basic way to filter out your emails. So from here, just search a keyword on the search bar over here. So let's say I'm going to go for Dropbox. And from here, in order for you to create a filter, just simply click on this. And now from here, you can narrow it down by customizing it. But if you're a beginner, just focus on the keyword that you want. But if you want to have a further more details, you can provide subject, to, from, and doesn't have, and you can also have a personal size, a date, and a personal search. So it will be depending on you guys. So now you can also have a this attachment and don't include chats. So as a beginner, just focus on the word and click on create filter. And after that, from here, you will have multiple options again. But guys, if you are a beginner, I recommend just focus on what I will show you. So from here, just click on apply the label and click on choose label and click on new label over here and just simply provide a label. So let's say I'm going to go for Dropbox spam and click on create. And now just simply click on this. Also apply filter to 32 matching messages. So guys, so you can also check other boxes. But as a beginner, I recommend just checking these two boxes. And click on create filter. And from here, you will have the Dropbox spam over here. And after that, you should be able to simply have all of the Dropbox email that you have. And you can simply delete it. And from there, you'll be able to create a filter and you'll be able to delete them in an organized way, or you can just label them where all of the email are more organized this way. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.